Hi everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to simplify and explain the interest deduction limitation rules under UAE corporate tax. If you're a business owner, accountant, or just curious about UAE taxes, this video will help you understand it clearly with examples. Let's get started. Section 1. What is a general interest deduction rule? The rule limits how much interest expense a company can deduct from its taxable income. Deductible interest is the greater of 1. 30% of adjusted EBITDA or 2. AED 12 million de minimis threshold. Interest that cannot be deducted in the current year can be carried forward for up to 10 years. Example, company We has a net interest expense of AED 46 million. But only AED 23.4 million is deductible under the rule. The remaining AED 22.6 million is carried forward to the next year. Section 2. Special cases. 1. Exempt persons. Example, government entities or extractive businesses. Interest must be apportioned between taxable and exempt activities. 2. Non-resident companies. Interest deduction applies only to UAE taxable income from their permanent establishment. If the business ends, unused interest is lost. 3. Cash basis accounting. If revenue less than or equal to AED 3 million, you can record income and expenses when cash is received paid. Interest deduction follows the cash basis. Section 3. Exceptions to the rule. Banks and insurance companies generally exempt because they earn net interest income. Natural persons running a business exempt if they operate directly. Example, sole proprietorship. Historical loans, debts agreed before 9 December 2022 are excluded. Qualifying infrastructure projects, QIP. Interest on loans for public benefit projects. Example, hospitals, schools, rail systems, is exempt. Example, Company L operates a rail transit project, public benefit, and builds residential buildings. Interest on the rail project is exempt, but interest on residential buildings follows the normal 30% EBITDA rule. Section 4. Small business relief. Businesses with revenue less than or equal to AED 3 million can elect small business relief. They cannot deduct interest for that year, and any carried forward interest is paused during relief periods. And that's a quick guide to the UAE interest deduction limitation rules for corporate tax. Remember, this video is made just for knowledge and is super easy to follow. If you found this helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more tax and finance tips from the UAE. Thanks for watching.